Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to make a video today sharing with you some niches that I found that are starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. But before I get into those niches, I want to share with you my free Merch by Amazon course that I have uploaded onto my YouTube channel. So if you just go to my YouTube channel, you scroll down, it's going to be the second playlist right here. It's 16 lessons. It's over an hour of content. This is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, but I give you guys a lot of information about how to find low competition niches, trending niches, cross niche, how to niche down, how to keep your account safe, how to check for trademarks. So a lot of good stuff in this course. It's free until I get 4,000 hours of watch time. I'm trying to get what's it called, monetized on YouTube. I got the subscribers, just need the watch time. So free until I get the 4,000 hours of watch time. If we take a look at my credentials on merch, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I have over 10,000 sales, and I've made over $36,000 in royalties. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out the course. It's going to be on my YouTube channel, the second playlist on the homepage. Okay, now let's get into the content of the video. So the first niche that I have for you is a Christmas niche, and it's basically most likely to, and then you can just add in any type of saying or niche here, and there's so many options. You can scale this so many times. We just take a look at a few of the top ones. It's most likely to know all the Christmas song lyrics, most likely to start all the shenanigans, most likely to drink all the wine. And you can see that these were recently updated, and they have really low BSRs, most likely to shoot the reindeer, most likely to be Santa's favorite, most likely to eat Santa's cookies, most likely to shake the presents. So, you can do similar ones like this, or you can get creative. Think in your own family. What are some common things that you think, would be funny? Like maybe you're the one, or someone that's always gets the most drunk, or always gets all the good Christmas presents, or always is under the mistletoe. Just try and just think about, your own family. What are some, things that always happen, some traditions that you have, and you can either go the route of just doing what everybody else is doing, or you can try and be creative and come up with your own funny sayings. But this is a good phrase to use. It's very popular right now, obviously, because Christmas is coming up, and it's most likely to. And then you can just kind of fit in whatever phrase you think is funny. Most likely to trade brother for gifts. That's another one. You can see just the ideas here are endless for this first niche. So just this first niche alone should keep you busy for at least a week or so. I'm uploading. But let's take a look at the next one. And the next one is actually, I believe, a political one. And the phrase or the niche is MAGAGA. And the reason that this is trending is because Trump, I think a couple of days ago, announced that he is going to be running for president for 2024. And whether you love Trump or whether you hate Trump, there's one thing that you can't deny is that his merch sells. I remember I was just looking at my stats, and a year ago, I remember I was selling so many Trump shirts. It was just so easy. All you have to do is just take Trump and just cross niche it with any demographic. So like teens for Trump, students for Trumps, blacks for Trump, gays for Trumps, women for Trump, Latinas for Trump, Filipinos for Trump. All you have to do is cross niche them. It's just so easy. So Trump shirts or merch sells very well, and I guess this is his new saying or something. Quote that he said, MAGAGA, make America great and glorious again. You can see if we look at this listing right here, it was just uploaded on November 16th, so a couple days ago. It already has a 301 BSR. So that's the second niche for you. Now, I know sometimes people, they get kind of like nervous with these political niches. So if you're afraid or if you're kind of doubting, you just skip this niche. There's always going to be another niche in the future. Me personally, I already uploaded some designs in this niche. Now, I don't get too into it with the keywords. I just basically was like MAGAGA 2024. I think that was about it. I try to avoid using people's names, MAGA, things like that, just to keep my account safe. But I was able to get my designs in through merch and just using the word MAGAGA 2024. But again, if you're nervous, you think this niche might get you in trouble, then just avoid it. And you can just always wait for the next niche or trendy niche. Okay, now let's take a look at the next niche that I have for you, and this is kind of a funny one, especially if you're from the States, and it's kids table alumni. If you grew up in the United States during Thanksgiving, during Christmas, if you were a kid, you probably sat at the kids table. you had the kids table and you had the adults table. So this right here, kids table alumni, is the phrase, is the saying. You see only 523 results. And let's see when this one was uploaded. Yeah, so just a few days ago. You can see it's already getting sales. So that's kind of a funny one. Make sure that you have kids selected for this, because the majority of the people that are going to be buying this are going to be buying it for their children. So you want to make sure that you have that option available. Let's see, there's a couple other ones that I thought were kind of funny too. Got a sale. Q4 is jamming. Okay, so I belong at the kids table. That's another funny one. I think that one, oh yeah, it was recently uploaded. So, you don't have to just do kids table alumni. You can see that there's also some other ones, like I might belong at the kids table. So those are some other options that you can do. This style, this text right here, wavy, curvy, retro text has been selling very well. So maybe we can do something similar. And then let's take a look at, let's see, which one is this? Oh, this is one that I would recommend that you stay away from, because I saw this one was jamming. It's getting tons of sales, but me personally, I would not feel safe selling this niche. It's basically Biden Fetterman 2024. It's a no-brainer. Basically, the shirt is making fun of Biden and Fetterman, that they're just kind of basically stupid and they don't have brains. But me personally, I would not get into this niche. I don't like using people's names. I'm just kind of stresses me out. I want to sleep good at night. Don't want to put my account at risk. So this niche, you might have seen that it's been selling, because there's a whole bunch of t-shirts out like this. They're all ranked. They all have good BSRs. But me personally, I don't think it's worth the risk. So I would recommend that you stay away from it. At least that's what I'm doing. If you want to take risks, then go ahead, go for it. Me personally, I'm staying away. And let's see, what's the last one that I have for you? That's it. All right, yeah, so those are going to be the niches for today. Just to recap, you got most likely 2, the Christmas ones, where you can scale it out and do a whole bunch. Like I said, that should keep you pretty busy. You got the Magaga, the political one, and then you also have the kids table alumni. Now, I did not check the competition on the other print-on-demand websites, so go ahead and check on those. They should be pretty low, as they usually are when I do these videos. So that's going to be it for the video today. I apologize for not uploading. I've just been kind of busy with Q4 stuff, taking advantage of work and getting designs up. But if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I put videos out on a regular basis about trending niches, design ideas. So if you like watching content like that, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're a beginner on merch, if you're struggling to get sales, I'd recommend you take a look at this course here. It's free, and it's got a lot of good information to help you get the ball rolling, so you can get sales basically like this. All right, so that's going to be it for today. Thanks again, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.